Hey, bridge is my ultimate favorite. I feel like we could all use a little bit of bridge in our day, every day. So if I'm bending my knees, my feet are hip distance, and it really lifts everything up, okay? So say you're neutral spine here. Whenever your feet are on the mat, you're neutral. So what you want to do is put fingertips on hips, thumbs on rib cage, and when you lift up to the bridge, you're going to roll through the hips to get there, okay? And so in the Pilates, we actually call this hip roll. So you start off neutral, breathe in, you exhale, draw the belly button to spine, roll hips to ribs, and then peel the tailbone all the way up to this nice bridge position. So that's your bridge. It's one straight line, shoulders, hips to knees, and you're trying to be straight with neutral spine. So in Pilates, we want the ribs tight and in control and like strong with our bridge. Oftentimes when you go to yoga, they'll say like come up. Their bridge is more like a back bend. Our bridge is like for strengthening and it's neutral. So it's core, it's neutral. So you're gonna start off nice and tall and you roll back down. So it actually feels really good when you breathe into it. So you start neutral, breathe in, you roll hips to ribs, exhale, draw the abdominals in first, and then peel the tailbone all the way up to that bridge position. Breathe in, stay, and then softening at the sternum, you're going to exhale as you roll back down, placing the spine on the mat, one vertebrae at a time. All right, try it again, breathing in, exhale, start the breath, belly button to spine, rolling hips to ribs, hips to ribs, peel the tailbone all the way up, hold it, breathe in. And I like it too when you raise your arms over the chest and you exhale, you let your arms kind of relax in the shoulder socket as you roll back down, 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 and release to neutral. We can always do a little supine twist after that, left knee to chest, bring it across to the right and reach left, and bring it back to center, right knee to the left, and you're gonna reach to the right. All right, so you just want to gently release the spine when you do your bridge. Great job. Let me know how you feel.